I found a Canva feature that lets you create 100 of t-shirt mockup in minutes. No Photoshop, no design skill, just a template, your artwork, and few button clicks. But there's one problem that you'll hit the moment you try to scale this, and most sellers do not realize this until they have wasted hours over this process. So stick around because I'll show you the full workflow, the exact wall that you will hit, and the fix that actually make this work at production scale. If you're selling t-shirt on Etsy, you already know mockups take forever. Every design needs multiple mockups, different angles, different colors, lifestyle shot, close-up shot. So you are either paying a VA to create mockups for you or just spending countless hours on tools like Canva, Photoshop, or using free generators that look cheap. Imagine you have 10 design, 5 mockups for each design, that is around 50 mockups. And if you have 100 designs to launch, that is 500 mockups to create. So this is where most sellers burn out or settle for low quality listings. Imagine this. What if you could take all your design files, put them into a template, and have every single mockup generated automatically? This is exactly what I'll show you today, and that too in your favorite tool, Canva. Before anything works, you need good mockup template. This part takes only 2 minutes, but it decides if your mockups look professional or amateur. So I'll go to Canva, and these are mockup images that I had purchased from Etsy. I'll drop them into a new canvas. I'll add a new page. Adjust this according to the size. So I've set up all the mockup images into different documents in the same file. The next step is to define the placeholder where our designs will be placed. For that, go and search for frame. Now, go to Canva element and search for frame. Take a rectangle frame, hit on this, and position this on the top of the t-shirt. This is where we want our designs to go. We'll also go ahead and reduce the opacity to 90 for this placeholder. We want our designs to blend with the t-shirt. Now I'll copy this one and paste into the other ones. So our t-shirt templates are created, but creating the template isn't enough. The real power comes when we connect this template to Canva Sheet. So Canva Sheet is basically a spreadsheet built into Canva. Let me show you how. So you go to Canva, on the home screen, click on Create, and then type in Sheets. Select the sheet option. This shows you the spreadsheet. Now, so on the first row, name this cell as design. So we'll be dropping all our design files into this row. So go to uploads. I've uploaded my design files over here. So I'll just drag and place it over here. Then the second one here. So I have dropped all my 10 designs into 10 different rows, and I have named this row as design. Next step, select this row. On actions, go to bulk create. Select data range from A1, we'll select to A11. Next, click on continue. Over here, we'll select the mockup template we had created moments ago. So this is the mockup template. Select this one. The next step is connect data to your template. So let this load. Now I told you we need to create placeholder on each of the t-shirt. Now we'll connect that t-shirt placeholder to the design that are in Canva sheet. So select the placeholder and click on connect data, and then select design. This is the row name that we had provided in the Canva sheet. Go to the next template, select the placeholder, connect data, select design, select the placeholder, connect data, design. connect data, select design. So all our placeholders are connected to the Canva sheet. Now it's time for the magic. I'll hit create 10 design and see what happens. So Canva took all our 5 template and the 10 design, it is creating mockup templates for each one of them. So it's already done. Let me show you how. Now, if I click on this, it opens a new Canva doc and the first design is applied on all our t-shirt. Look at this. I think we missed to connect this data, but yeah, if you see the idea, the t-shirt designs are applied onto that. Let me go back, select the second design, and then we have the link to a new document. And look at this. Again, sorry about this, we missed to connect the data, but yeah, look at this. And now you can go ahead and download this t-shirt mockups. Looks perfect, right? Not so fast. This process and workflow works perfect for 5 or 10 designs. But here's what happens when you try to do this at real scale. Problem 1, you can't bulk upload images into Canva sheet. Every design needs to be dragged and dropped one by one. Fine for 5 or 10 design, but imagine dragging and dropping 100 of design into each row. Problem number 2, every mockup saves as a separate Canva doc. So you're supposed to open the Canva doc, download the mockups, unzip it, organize it. Good to do for 5 or 10 designs, but 100 designs, that's too much of a chaos. And this bulk create feature, this is a Canva Pro feature, so it's not available for free. You need to pay Canva to get access to that feature. And one of the biggest turn-off for this process is, let me show you. So this design is rectangular in orientation and it is placed at the center. So if you're selling t-shirt, you know that this design is supposed to flow from the top. So Canva does not have this feature to auto align your artwork from the top. So this is a big turn off for me for this entire process. So what's the fix? So I tried a different approach. Instead of fighting Canva's limitation, I used a tool that was specifically meant for creating mockups at scale, Bulk Mockup. Let me show you how it works. So you go to this Bulk Mockup web app. It does not require Photoshop. It works on a browser. So this is how it looks. Load mockup template. So I'll drag and drop my mockup templates over here. It loads up very quickly. Next step is add artworks. So I'll add my artworks over here. Next step is configure canvas. So this is where it stands out with the Canva. So in Canva, I showed you a big drawback that it does not allow your design to flow from the top of your t-shirt. This is where we can set this up in Bulk Mockup. So you go to this configure canvas. On the preset, from standard, select apparel. So if you look at the custom, these are the anchor points and it sets up your design to flow from the top. So this is very good feature if you're selling t-shirt. So I'll select apparel fit and top fit to canvas from the top center. Next, it also has the feature to configure your export. So I'll select JPG mockups and then folder structure by art. What this means is when our mockups are generated, subfolders will be created for each of my design files. So just to show you, I have 10 design. So there will be a folder created for this design and all the 5 mockups of that design will be in that folder. Imagine how good that structure is. Then you can also select your file name. So I'll select design template and that's it. Hit generate mockup, start bulk generation, and the magic starts. So now all our mockups are generated. You can download each of the mockups individually or you can download them as zip. So I'll download it as a zip. It will go in my downloads folder. Now you can extract this. Now, like I mentioned, all our mockups are organized into subfolders, 10 subfolders. Let me open each one of them and you can look at the quality of the mockups generated. Isn't this beautiful? Now you decide which one is a better workflow, the Canva Sheet bulk create feature or this Bulk Mockup web app. So one more advantage of using Bulk Mockup is that it supports smart object mockup template. So Canva limits you to only use mockup that are front facing. You'll not find any mockup template on Canva that is oblique in angle or has realistic shadows. But there are templates that use a smart object that are available for you to purchase on Etsy and other marketplaces. This mockup generator supports those templates as well. So it's an added bonus for you. This bulk mockup tool isn't public yet. It's invite only and the waitlist is filling very fast. If you want access to it, comment mockup and I'll send you an invite. Now you can automate mockups all day but still get zero sales. Probably because you do not realize the dumb mockup mistakes that you are making. Go watch the next video to find out.